This teriyaki bowl combines tender bites of steak and vegetables that are then drizzled with a homemade teriyaki sauce. A true comforting and satisfying meal that has everything you need to fill up your stomach the healthiest way possible. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be making a teriyaki bowl with steak, rice, vegetables, and of course, a homemade teriyaki sauce. But before we start, let's first hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Let's begin our recipe by first preparing the rice. For this, add 1.5 cups of jasmine rice to a bowl, then both rinse and soak it in water for 15 minutes. Now, once you've cleaned the rice, add it to a saucepan along with 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Then lower the heat to a simmer, cover the saucepan with its lid, and let the rice cook for 20 minutes. Once the time is up, turn off the heat and set the covered saucepan aside for 10 minutes. If you'd like a low-carb meal, you can try making cauliflower rice or cook shirataki noodles instead of using white rice. Both of these options are just as delicious. Now, to prepare the teriyaki sauce, let's add inside another saucepan several ingredients. So let's add inside soy sauce, tamari sauce, water, pure maple syrup, sesame oil, aji mirin, cooking sake, rice wine vinegar, grated ginger, then stir, fresh orange juice, honey, cornstarch, dark brown sugar, black pepper, shichimi pepper, yuzu sauce, and red chili flakes. The end, I swear. Begin whisking the sauce on high heat for 10 to 12 minutes until the sauce thickens. Then let's set the sauce aside to cool, and while it does so, it will continue to thicken. Let's now switch to preparing our steak teriyaki and vegetables. First, let's season 3/4 pound of top sirloin steak with sea salt and pepper to your liking. Then, using a skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And once the oil is hot, cook the steak for 8 minutes on both sides, or until it reaches your desired doneness. Once the steak finishes cooking, add it to a plate covered with foil to keep it warm. If steak is not your thing, you can use chicken instead. Do not worry. Now for our vegetables, let's use the same skillet and add 1 cup of chopped mixed vegetables of your choice, such as carrots and green beans. Or if you'd like to save some time, use a pre-packaged vegetable medley and pre-sliced mushrooms. Once they're in the skillet, add some of the teriyaki sauce and cook the vegetables for 8 minutes or until tender. Let's now uncover the saucepan with the rice, open it up with an utensil, and begin assembling our teriyaki bowl. Let's first place a scoop of the prepared rice, then top half of the rice with the cooked vegetables, and for the other half, let's slice the steak and then add it on top. Drizzle the teriyaki sauce over the rice bowl and garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onion. Serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check the description box below where you can view all the written steps, check notes, and even click on our website link at cozymeal.com/recipes where you'll be able to find so many more delicious recipes for your weeknight meals. Also, please make sure to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with your friends and with your family. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.